Nabaqambula nkomo ukuba silahlekile ziyakufa umdlebo wasoshangana libumbeni ihora lokuqala emini bebade siyakhulekana nabezinyane lengezegeze naze ihamba phambili emini nje.
Were significantly ahead of where we thought we would be at this time, and thanks to the work of the men and women at the Eskom.
Ongqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Kgosientsho Ramokgopa ubonge izisebenzi zakwa Eskom ngomsebenzi eseyiwenzile kuze kube manje njengoba seyicela emakhulwini amabili insuku kwamisa uhlelo lwe-load shedding kulelizwe.
Nanamuhla asithule asibukela ngaphansi ixwayiso sizobona nje ekuqhubekeni kosuku ngoba mekufudumele kanje lento iyayiqale ukwenzeka mesingekhathi ntambama.
Isangoma zezulu engayidli impumpazise ePitoli ikhiphise exwayiso samazinga aphansi okushisa sesigabeni sokuqala uma ubheke ingxenyeni eyisogwini lwesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal namhlanje indawo eyibaliwe kukhona umkhandlu ugu umkhanyakude ilembe ikhincetshwayo kanye nomkhandlu weTheku. Ongqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Kgosientsho Ramokgopa ubambe ingxoxo nomkhakha wezamandla avuselelwayo eGalaga Convention Center eMidrand esifundazweni iGauteng.
Njengoba ibiqhubeka lengxoxo ezamandla avuselelwayo eMidrand, ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Kgosientsho Ramokgopa ubonge wancongcoze isebenzini zakwa Eskom ngomsebenzi esezwenzile kuze kube manje.
And the system is healthier, a bit more resilient. We are continuing to make the improvements that is necessary. I'm not suggesting that we are where we want to be, but we are significantly ahead of where we thought we will be at this time, and thanks to the work of the men and women at the Eskom. So we'll be doing that. And then the other one is the liquefied fuel plant.
Ungqongqoshe uqhubeke ngokubalula ubumqoka bozinzo kwezamandla.
It's important that we are able to protect the interest of posterity, the harmful effects of these emissions to the immediate environment, the people in the geographies where you find in these power stations. So it's important that we are able to green this the South African economy.
Kusenjalo siphikelele ensukwini engamakhulu amabili isikhathi lumisiwe uhlelo lokucima konga ugesi.
Aphansi amazinga okushisa kulezo ingxenye isogwini lwesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal kule ndawo kubala umkhandlu ugu umkhanyakude ilembe ikhincetshwayo kanye nakuwona umkhandlu weTheku izakhamuzi zakhelele imkhandlu ziyanxuswa ukuthi iqaphele kakhulu.
Izangoma zezulu baby ukuthi lingase likhithike namhlanje kuswela namhlanje ekseni kuze kube intambama kodwa mesibheka namhlanje sibona ingathi ilanga liphumile nanomoko kodwa kunomoya obandayo sitheme sihamba ngoN3 siyabona ukuthi amaphoyisa ama-TLB nama-graders aphume ngeinkani amile emgaqweni alindele ukuthi mekuthi kuyenzeka liyakhithika akwazi ukusiza abashayeli athele usawoti emgaqweni ukuze iqhwa melihlala emgaqweni lincibilike lingakheli njengoba lalenzile ngempela sonto eyedlule kodwa ke ozosichazela kabanzi owabona ngalesi sikhathi kukhithika abashayeli belala emotweni ngale yampela sonto ubaba uThembi Nkosi Sibeko owumnikazi wegarage leli lingaphesheya owayibonela amathuba ukuthi kwenzakalani babisibeko siyabona ukuthi ilanga liphumile yize kubanda kodwa ke nina njengabahlali bala endaweni umbono wenu uthini lingase yini likhithike namhlanje?
Impela sithemba kanjalo ngoba nangesonto elidlule kwaqala ngayo le ndlela kwangazathi kufudumele kanti ekuhambeni kosuku sasithathe kancane isixwayiso sabaqashisi bezulu kodwa kwathi mekuqala mantambama sesibona sathawu kanti kuyiqiniso ngempela lathi besiqwashisa ngawo nanamuhla asithule asibukela ngaphansi ixwayiso sizobona nje ekuqhubekeni kosuku ngoba mekufudumele kanje lento iyayiqale ukwenzeka mesingekhathi ntambama.
Omhlazi wezombusazwe uSolwazi uDekhotie uthi mancane amathuba ukuthi ukuxoshwa kwalowo beyimeya yomkhandlu waseTshwane uSilia Spring kuphazamisa indlela yokusebenza kohulumeni wobumbano iGNU. uBrink ukhonjwe indlela ngolwesino lwedlule ngemva kwesiphakamiso sokungekuthenjwa kobuholi bakhe nokuyisiphakamisa saqhamuka neANC.
Ukukhishwa kukaBrink esikhundleni njengemeya yaseTshwane sequbule ukuqagela malungana nomthelela okuzoba nawo kuhulumeni wobumbano kuzwelonke. Yize kunjalo ke kepha omunye wabahlaziyi bezombusazwe uthi ayingcosana amathuba ukuthi lokhu kube nomthelela kuhulumeni obusayo njengamanje.
I think what we have heard, for example, is that she gave acknowledgement to the ANC's national leadership in the form of Kilian Balula, as well as David Makura, who was involved in these negotiations, as well as the fact that John Steenhuisen, the DA leader, said he's going to have a serious discussion with President Ramaphosa about it. So it's clear that those communications lines are open.
IDA eTshwane isole usihlalo we-ANC eGauteng oPanyaza Lesofi njengomuntu ongahambisani ne-GNU.
I believe that it's clear that there are two factions inside the ANC, one that is pro-GNU and one that's anti-GNU, and Lesofi's faction is very clearly anti-GNU, and it would seem, based off the events over the past few months, especially inside Gauteng, that the anti-GNU faction inside the ANC is winning.
Kusenjalo i-ANC eTshwane isivikele isinqumo sayo sokususa uBrink njengemeya ngelithi uhlelo lwe-GNU alisebenzi ezingeni lohulumeni basekhaya.
It's well and fine when he's able to highlight the working relationship at national level, but at local level that relationship was not there.
Kulindeleke ukuthi umkhandlu dolobha iTshwane uvotele imeya esikhathini esingaphansi kwamasonto amabili ezayo.
Umfelandawonye wenyana zezisebenzi Khosathu ukholwa ukuthi isinqumo senkantolo sokuvimbela kwesikhashana umholi we-MK Party eParliament uDokotela uJohn Hlophe ekuthena ahlale njengelungu lekhomishana yabehluleli iJudicial Service Commission sishaya emhlolweni.
I-Democratic Alliance imingelo ukuthi iParliament alizange licubungule ngendlela egculisayo ukuphakanyiswa kaDokotela uHlophe njengomunye kulabo kufanele bahlale esigungwini sekhomishana yabehluleli iJudicial Service Commission kulandela isinqumo sokudiliza kwakhe esikhundleni njengajaji elikhulu enkantolo eWestern Cape. Yisigaba esilandelayo senhlolokhono salabo abagaqela ukuhlala kukhomishana yabehluleli sizobanjwa emasontweni amabili ezayo. Phakathi kwezikhala ezivulekile okufanele zivalwe kukhona naleso esavuleka ngokuxoshwa kaHlophe kanye nezinye ezintsha zamajaji okufanele ahlale enkantolo ephakeme eWestern Cape. Ikhosathu ithi udaba likaHlophe lidinga ukufakelwa izibuko ngokujulile.
We hope this High Court ruling will inject some sense, but at the very least, Parliament needs to do the correct thing and to amend its rules and also to amend the Constitution so we don't have this scenario popping up once again.
Umcwaningi wesikhungo esiqaphe ezabehluleli iJudges Matter uqaqula ukuthi isinqumo senkantolo ngokuvinjelwa kaHlophe ekutheni abe yingxenye yesigcawu senhlolokhono sihambisana nokuvikelwa komthetho kanye nobuqotho bokusingathwa kwenhlolokhono yalabo abagaqela ungena esigungwini seJSC.
To protect the rule of law and the credibility of the upcoming interviews, which will affect judicial independence, it is for now preferable for Dr. John Hlophe not to participate in the JSC proceedings, even though he still remains a member until a final determination on Parliament's decision to designate him is made.
IParliament lithe angeke liphawule okwamanje ngesinqumo esikhishwe inkantolo maqondana nodaba likaDokotela Hlophe.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile usethelekile eNgilandi njengoba kuhloswe ukuthi uqinisa ubudlelwano bezohwebo kanye notshalo mali phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika kanye nawo amangisi. Engilandi ngelinye lamazwe angamatheni nolimi neNingizimu Afrika ekakhulukazi uma kubhekwa ezohwebo, utshalo mali ukuthuthukiswa kwamakhono ezokuvakasha njalo njalo. Iphini likaMengameli liyaqhubeka ke nokuyibandakanya namanye amazwe adlelana nelakuleli ukuze kuzanywe ukuthi kufukulwe umnotho wala eNingizimu Afrika. UMashatile uzosebenzisa leli thuba ukukhuluma malungana nezinto ezibekwe eqhulwini uhulumeni wobumbano kanti phakathi kwazo kubalwa ukuhlinzekwa ngamathuba omsebenzi, ukulwa nobubha kanye nokumbeqolo kwendleko zokuphila la eNingizimu Afrika. Asikungile sikwamukele mbukeli uma usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ongqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Kgosientsho Ramokgopa unqome isebenza kwaEskom ngomsebenzi eseyiwenzile kuze kube manje njengoba seyicela emakhuleni amabili insuku kwamisa uhlelo load shedding kulelizwe. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyigcina ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo nakuli high sikhona. Owengamele ezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGauteng uLebogang Mayile uthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe usekhokhe imali ewu3.8 billion rands ukuze kukhokhwe isikweletu sama e-toll.
The first installment that we are paying today amounts to 3.8 billion, and the HOD told me that the money is already in the account. So we've processed, we've paid 3.8 billion minus our, it's minus in our account. So we're 3.8 billion poorer, but not bankrupt. We are not bankrupt. So that's very important. We will never be bankrupt because the finances of the province are in good hands. So we can't be bankrupt. And we are also paying a maintenance portion of about 546 million. The implication of the e-toll debt requires the provincial government to manage finances in a prudent manner whilst carefully balancing the service delivery needs of the citizens.
Ongotwe zobugebengu uSolwazi nemalakho uphala uthi kuyakhathaza ukuthi igebengu zenza ubugebengu ngeqholo lokuthi azizuboshwa usho lokhu njengoba amaphoyisa ase-Eastern Cape esaphenya isigameko sokudubula esidlule nabantu abayi-18 elisikisike ngempela sonto okwamanje bekungakaboshwa umuntu kulesigameko.
These mass shootings are usually informed or motivated by particular factors. And usually it is revenge, it's a dispute, whether it's dispute between family members, dispute between employees, dispute within political parties or, gangs, rival gangs. But in this instance, at this point in time, we have very little information to go by in terms of what could have been the possible motivation. However, what I want to emphasize is that it's going to be very critical for the police to work closely with the families, surviving family members, community members, to try and find little pieces of the puzzle to put together the reasons for why this shooting possibly took place.
Yeah. Sashaqekile namanje abazali beingane intathe eshona emva kokudla iphalisho kusolakala ukuthi belinobuthi labazali bathi ubhlungu ababizwa abekezeleki futhi bafuna kwenziwe ubulungiswa kubikwa ukuthi lezi ngane imbili kanye nosana ikhale ngokujuqwa isisu emva kokudla leliphalishi amaphoyisa aphenya lesigameko.
Bengakwazi ukubamba inyembezi zabo abazali bathi babenethembe likhulu kubantwana babo bamemelela uphando olungxamisekileyo kulenyewe.
Kange ndibhilize ndicelile ndathi cela okombuza ke because ndiyambona ingathi uzawuvuka
walununzi bhuti because besithi bazawufunda bebesizinto yabo wesilo umdala mama uzokhuliswa uzophangela mama ndikuthengela izinto bemandi.
Le papa bayityileyo ithengwe kwivenkile yaziwayo kwaye yaphononongwa. Umasipala Mbaxa eBuffalo City uthe uza kulixhasa olusapho ngeli xesha libi.
Sizawuva singumasipala Mbaxa bani ifamily ifuna uncedwa njani na and then sijonge uba singumasipala singanceda njani ezibubona bana ezi family zihluphekile zifamily ezingenanto singumasipala sinayo indigent policy where sincedisa abantu to burial if abanayo. And then we'll have to follow that process as umasipala if ifamily ayinayo.
Lo masipala ukwalumkisa abathengi ukuba baqaphele ukutya bakuthengayo. Abongile Yankisi kwiindaba ze-SABC eMdantsane.
Ingane iphume ifundazweni ezehlukene ihlangane ngaphansi kophahla elilodwa eParktown eGoli ukuzobhunga ngezixazululo zengqinamba eyibhekene nazo. Inhlangano yeNelson Mandela Children's Fund ibisingethe ingqungquthela yinsuku ezimbili African Child Summit eGoli. Abagqugquzeli balengqungquthela bathi inika ingane ithuba lokubhodla iphinde ikwazi ukuphumela obala ngezingqinamba ezikhungethe zona lezi ngane.
We wanted children to speak about policy issues, and in this instance we're specifically speaking about educational policies. The children are discussing AI and technologies in the context of education, violence, inclusion, participation, and they're thinking about these issues because they're affecting them the most.
Abanye bayingxenye yale ngqungquthela bathi iyaqinisekisa ukuthi ingane ziyalalelwa futhi banqoma ukubiza zona ngqo ukuze izoba ingxenye yokubunjwa kwekusasa lazo.
Sidibanisa abantwana okukubana mabeze babe inxalenye yokuqulunqa ikamva labo, sive amazwi abo nezimvo zabo nengcinga zabo ekuqinisekiseni into bangaba ikamva labo ngabo abathatha ipriority and making sure ukuthi bangaba bayazigqibela izinto zabo bazithathe bazise kubantu abangaphambili.
Ingane bezethamlela ingqungquthela zithi ke ngeke isonga izandla ibuke ikusasa lazo lishabalaliso kwamazolo eboni ilanga zizobhukula zibe ingxenye yokubunjwa kwekusasa lazo eliqhakazile.
Siza apha sizokuthi ingxaki ejongene nazo singabantwana. Size apha size nengxaki esisuka nazo apho sindawo esihlala kuzo. Ngoke ngokusiza apha nazo apha sithetha ngazo. Mina into engiyifundileyo apha kukubaluleka kakhulu kwa AI kwaye nengxaki kwaye nezinto esinozenza ukuba si break the barriers esijongene nazo singabantwana.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseParktown eGoli. Izakhamuzi zasemkhuhlu esifundazweni eMpumalanga icela umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni ukuthi usivale isibhedlela eMatikwane kwesikhashana kuze kuphele ukulungiswa kwesakhiwo kususwe uphahla kulesibhedlela emagunjini alala iziguli. Umphakathi ke uthi ukuvalwa kwalesibhedlela isikhashana kuzohlenga impilo yabantu.
Isibhedlela eMatikwane siyaqhubeka nokusebenza yize kuqhubeka nokulungiswa kwayo emawadini amabili. Izakhamuzi zithi lokwakhiwa kubeka impilo yezisebenzi engcupheni.
We are having a concern as Mkhuhlu residents concerning the issue of asbestos in Matikwane Hospital. In short, it's not safe at the present moment for community members to visit Matikwane Hospital as there's a construction which is busy removing the asbestos, of which is very dangerous to the public.
Amalunga omphakathi athi umnyango wezempilo uyahluleka ukugcina izithembiso zawo zezokuphepha.
The department committed 31 million for this project, and later on they told us they have reduced the money for renovations. It's now 26 million. So while we had no choice but to accept, but to our surprise on Monday we were told that the budget has been cut to 15 million. Where is the other money?
Inyunyana abahlengikazi iDenosa ifuna umnyango ukuthi ubuyisele izisebenzi ezimisiwe emsebenzini.
We believe that this act that the department has done is premature, and we are calling for the Department of Health to withdraw all those suspensions.
Nokho umnyango ukuthi yonke imigudu ilandeliwe ngaphambi kokuba kuqaliswe lolu hlelo.
A specialist that checked the air for particles of asbestos from the area where the asbestos is being removed. That all indicated that there was no risk, since the service provider is using the wet method to remove the asbestos, and the type of asbestos that is there is the dry solid asbestos.
Umnyango utshela amalungu omphakathi anganelisekile ukuthi kumele alethe owawo umbiko wongoti ozophikisa lona abanawo ukuthi kuphephile ukulungisa lapha.
Buke njengoba sisonga inyanga yamagugu nokuyinyanga esisonga ngokuthi ke sikwethulela indaba ngolwimi lwesiZulu sithatha udaba oluthi ke intsha lapha eNingizimu Afrika isilithatha yalibeka esicongweni usuku lwenziwa amaZulu amabhinqa ke mbukeli amaZulu esuke ekhombisa ukuyigqaja nokuthanda isintu kanye nemvelaphi yawo ngendlela agqoka ngayo nangendlela aphila ngayo.
Osaziwayo nabaculi abadumile abafana noKhuzani Mpungose noSiyabonga Nene odume ngelika Big Zulu benze isiko lamabhinqa lakhangisa kubantu abasha. Kanti nemicimbi edumile efana nengoma kaZwelonke iheha amakhulu abalandeli abagqoke imbala yabo ehlukene yamabhinqa bagcwale ezinkundleni zemidlalo. Kanti nemicimbi yomculo wesintu ezindaweni zasemakhaya efana nengoma isinedumelo eliphambili. Izikole nazo zibamba iqhaza ekuvuseleleni isiko. Kulonyaka abafundi basesikoleni saKwaMbonambi High baphume ngomningi emgubheni wabo weminyaka yonke wamagugu bekhombisa imvunulo yabo yesintu embalabala.
Uma sithatha ukubheka emuva ngathi kwenzeka icolonization abelungu beza la basusa into eyenza thina umuntu omnyama. Manje ngoba si iheritage iyasikhumbuza ukuthi no asibuyele emuva. sikhumbuza thina abantu abamnyama babephila kanjani usiko lethu lalithini.
Ibhinqa ngathi umuntu ongenawo ngisho amahloni okuveza usiko lakhe nobuyena.
Umculo kaMasikhandi nawo ubamba iqhaza ekuvuseleleni isiko lamabhinqa.
Umculo nomlayezo, umculo othatha umuntu inkinga zomuntu uyisolve ngengqondo yakhe ulalele. Umculo kahlahle oyakha isense kubantu.
NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Luphansi uhwebo lwerandi eyimakethe emini nje. Libiza u17.15 edoleni laseMelika libe u22.98 kupondo kanti liwu 19.19 ku euro. Iphula laseBotswana libiza R1.32. Inkomba Isabelo iphansi eJC. Igolide libiza $2,649 i-ounce, iplatinum yona ibiza $987 i-ounce, oil ongahluziwe ubiza $171.81 umphongolo. Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Siyabuya. Mbukile, usale kahle.